Hello everyone, the topic is capacitor and capacitance of capacitor. So the system of two conductors separated by some insulated material form a capacitor. Suppose we have two conductor, this is conductor 1, other is conductor 2. So on first conductor, here is positive Q charge, here is equal amount of negative Q charge. The potential of this first conductor is V1 and potential of second is V2. Here is positive charge, here is a negative charge. So these two conductors are separated by insulating material to form a capacitor. The potential difference between these two conductors is potential difference V is equal to V1 minus V2. When the charge is given to conductor, its potential increases. So during the charging, if Q charge is given to conductor, then V is the potential of the conductor. So charge is directly proportional to potential. As we increase the charge on conductor, same amount of potential increase on conductor. So when we charging a conductor, charge on a conductor is directly proportional to potential. Replace this directly proportional with equal sign. Here is constant of proportionality C. This C is known capacitance or capacity of conductor. This C is capacity of conductor. So this capacity C is equal to Q over V. So the capacity is ratio of charge per unit potential. If V is equal to 1, then C is equal to Q. The capacitance of the conductor is defined as the charge required to raise its potential by unity. So the capacitance or capacity of a conductor represents the defined as the charge required to raise its potential by unity. So this is the basic formula for capacitance or capacity of conductor. So the capacitance of conductor depends upon number 1 size of conductor, number 2 shape of conductor, number 3 is nature of object in its surrounding, number 4 is medium in which the conductor is placed. So these are the factors upon which capacitance of conductor depends. Units of capacitance. SI units of capacitance is farad. In CGS system is stat farad. So C is equal to Q by V. If we want to write the definition of 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb over 1 volt. So it is equal to 1 coulomb per volt. So the capacitance of the conductor is said to be 1 farad if the charge of 1 coulomb raises its potential by unity or by 1 volt. So same stat farad. Stat farad, it is equal to 1 stat coulomb, 1 stat coulomb of charge over 1 stat volt. So the capacitance of conductor is said to be 1 stat farad if a charge of 1 stat coulomb raises its potential through 1 stat volt. So the next is relationship between farad and stat farad. Relationship between farad and stat farad. One farad is equal to 1 coulomb over 1 volt. It is equal to 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 9 stat coulomb. So this is the conversion from SI system to CGS. And 1 volt is equal to 1 over 300 stat volt. So 1 farad is equal to 9 into 10 raised to power 11 stat farad. This is the conversion from 1 farad, or we can write 1 microfarad. 1 microfarad is equal to, it is written as 1 microfarad. This is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 farad. This is for 1 micro. 1 nanofarad. Nanofarad is 1 nanofarad. It is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 farad. So this is the relationship between farad and stat farads. These are the small units which are commonly used for capacitance. Symbolic representation of a capacitor. So this is the symbol used for capacitor. This is also used for capacitor. Here is arrow sign. This is figure A. This is B. So this represents the variable capacitor. This is a capacitor of fixed capacitance. Here is fixed capacitance, means constant, we cannot change. Here is variable capacitance. Variable capacitance.